Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a grocery haul for a family of 6. This is about a week. A lot of it goes into the second week, but it's about a week's worth of groceries. Thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, so this is a lot of food. Not everything is here, but these are the things that I needed. So I'm going to not kill you with the talking, and I'm going to jump right in. And I guess I'll start here. The first two things here, I have a bag of Berry Medley mango chunks. Those are really good for smoothies. Then I also have these 2 French bread roasts because I'm making a Italian beef, like a crock pot Italian beef sandwich this week. 2 of the turkey sausages for breakfast sandwiches. 2 garlic bread loaves. I like these because you throw them in the oven and 10 minutes later they're ready. I like minced garlic, but they didn't have it, so I got chopped garlic. 2 things of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I already started this one as soon as I came in. I am tired. I have a huge disaster to clean up. Okay, so I don't know where I left off. I think it was with the coffee, but yeah, I need to get some energy. So between coffee and cleaning motivation videos, I should be able to do it. Box of Lucky Charms. 2 jars of this Rinaldi. I'm not picky about pasta sauce. There's a few brands I don't like, but overall, it doesn't really matter. An apple juice. I actually have 2 apple juices, but I put one in the fridge. Grape jelly for my Swedish meatballs. These were 2 for $4. So I picked up 2 of them. And a lot of this stuff will go into the next week. So this isn't necessarily just for 1 week. Greek salad dressing. Coleslaw dressing. And I got 4 of these because we're having barbecue chicken sandwiches and Swedish meatballs. Okay. So in here I have 2 packs of beef. I just like to keep it in the bag in case any of the juice is spilling. And then I have 4 packs of chicken breast and just bare chicken breast fillet. And that's 36 eggs. Hold on. Yeah, 3 dozen eggs. Ricotta cheese for the lasagna. This is a much needed bottle of wine that will probably get open tonight. I got 2 of these Simply Smart Perdue chicken nuggets. They were 2 for $6. And I had a coupon. So they ended up coming out to $2.50 a piece. So I'm trying those. Let's see. 3 dozen tortillas for the enchiladas and the cilantro lime chicken tacos. I have this green enchilada sauce. Okay. Back again. So I have 2 of these avocados, and these need to be eaten probably tomorrow or like within the next couple of days. And corn to go with the barbecue chicken sandwiches. I have this big bag of Mexican style cheese. That's for just about everything. 2 packages of mozzarella cheese. I like it for omelets or for the lasagna. Turkey breast. A bag of coleslaw. These huge burritos. And these were marked down to 98 cents, so I got 2 of them. I usually don't get anything that big, but they were a good deal. So that's for the wraps and burritos. I got this yogurt. I usually get tubs, but these were on sale for 2 for $8. And then I had $1 off of... Are you okay? Then I had $1 off of any 2, so it ended up coming out 2 for $7, which were $3.50. A package. I picked it up because it was just there. They didn't have the tubs. Over here, I have 2 packs of King Hawaiian rolls, but these are not the little square one. They're like mini sub rolls. So that's going to be fun. That's going to be different, but it tastes the same, so they're not even going to notice. I'll get to that in just a minute. A bag of Petite red potatoes. That's for a few different things, but probably most likely my crock-pot chicken, 2 bags of lettuce. And I usually get these at Aldi, but they were on sale for 98 cents. And I didn't go to Aldi. I still need to go there to get a few things, but okay. 3 limes for the cilantro lime chicken. Cilantro for that and for the salsa for the burritos and the tacos. I don't know if I showed these, but 2 bags of green beans to go with the lasagna. A purple onion. Some nice red Roma tomatoes. These are for the wraps. I like the buffalo style chicken strips, but the kids like the regular ones. So I got them those. And these I thought were actually a good deal too, because it was buy one for $7.99. You got the other one free. And then I had I think it was $1 or 75 cents off coupon. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I don't know if I showed the biscuits, but I got 2 cans of biscuits for the breakfast sandwiches. A loaf of bread, and I'm pretty sure that's it. The last thing I want to show you is this. I got 2 things. I had a little extra left over, so I used half of what I had left over. I did pretty good this week with groceries. And it's just these little, I don't know, however you say that, but little utensils. I thought they were really cute. I needed some. And then I've been hopping on the Rae Dunn bandwagon, but I needed a new bowl because I have one that I use only for meat and then one for mixing just about everything else. So I wanted to get one nice one to mix like salads and stuff like that. So it says Mix. It's really, really cute, and I'm just super excited. I'm going to use it today. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, this is everything that I purchased. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, let me know down below. That's left over from my daughter's birthday party. And yeah, this is just what we need to make like a bulk of the things, in addition to what I have left over in my pantry for a week for a family of 6. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.